Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Hope you guys are doing great. I had posted a post on my community page asking you guys which one you wanted to see first, the nail extension gel kit Sweet Candy Castle or the nail extension gel kit all glitters. And ladies and gentlemen, do you want to know which one won? So the all glitters has won. So this will be the first kit that we do. These kits are by TOBEGLAM. So I will leave a link down below where you can purchase them. They are on Amazon. They also have a website, but I do not believe the website has these just yet. If they do, I will link it down below because I do get a discount from them. However, I do not get one on Amazon, but you guys know Amazon always offers discounts, so you're more than likely going to be able to get a discount with them anyway. So I want to just quickly show you, I have this on like the back of a check. This was the glitter and this was the candy color. So as you can tell, the glitter definitely won. So here we go. This is the cute little packaging that it comes in. Really nice open window so you can see the colors. As you can see, as soon as you open it, it says TOBEGLAM, hello gorgeous. You get a cute little TOBEGLAM envelope. Your step-by-step instructions for applying the dual forms. So they come with 6 little PolyGel tubes, guys. So that is the first color. It is called Flossy. Next one is a beautiful, beautiful blue glitter. It is called Air Time. Our third one is a beautiful, like white, shimmery glitter. This one here is called Attraction. Next one is going to put a big smile on your face. It is called Big Smile, and it is a beautiful yellow glitter. The fifth one is only in your fantasies. That one is a beautiful pink glitter, and it's called Fantasy. Don't come looking for my treasure. Is a beautiful orange glitter, and it's called Treasure. Here are all of the gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at those. Look how pretty. I like those. Alright guys, don't forget, make sure your nails are prepped and ready. Push back your cuticles. Buff the surface shine off your natural nails. Put on your dehydrator, your primer, your base coat, and then you're ready for an enhancement. You guys know I use a regular foil glue as a peel-off method, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin coat of that and let that air dry. We are also going to be using my Enail Couture 5XL square nails. This is what they look like. These things are poppin', y'all already know. These bright neon stars glitters have these black matte star glitters, glow in the dark glitters right here, and then I'm not sure if I'm going to use the hearts, but these are like a really dark reddish color. You're going to take your base and you're going to go ahead and apply that on the underside of the nail. Now you're going to grab your glitters and start applying those. Once you're happy with your glitter placement, go ahead and do a freeze cure. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do every single nail just like I did. All right, I've got all of my nails ready. Now I'm gonna apply the PolyGel to the underside. Make sure you got some slip solution and a brush to apply your PolyGel. So what I like to do is I'll put it in here only so far. Take the slip and okay, so the PolyGel seems to be on the softer side. It doesn't feel sticky. Pretty easy to work with so far, so good. So I like to go all the way to my sides, all the way up to the side wall, okay? That way we're covering everything up and it's not gonna look We're not going to have any like missing spaces or anything like that. You're going to make sure you cover all of the underside of that nail. And then what I'll do is I'll bring the PolyGel down just so far. Make sure you still have that nice C-curve going on the underside, okay? And then I'll stop. I'll stop about right there. And then I will do a 30-second cure. So again, take your PolyGel. Apply it. Again, you're gonna pull that PolyGel down. Make sure it goes from one side wall to the other on the underside of your nail. Keeping it nice and thin. You don't want it too thick. And then once you get to almost a little bit more than halfway, you're gonna stop. Make sure everything looks good. And then you're gonna do like a 30-second cure. Accent finger, I am going to go ahead and use all 6 colors. So what you're gonna do and how you're gonna do that is you're gonna take each of the PolyGels and you're just gonna put a little bit of each one on the underside of the nail. So then again, take your slip solution or your base coat, whichever you like to use. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna pull that down. Making sure you still got a nice C-curve in there. It's gonna blend all those colors together. Actually looks really nice like that. Making sure you go from one side wall to the other so you don't have any spaces. All right, and once you have that, I do have all the colors. See all the colors? Go ahead and do a 30-second cure, and I'm gonna slowly apply that. I'm gonna see it go to my free edge. Once it gets there, you're gonna pop it under that light and let that cure. Now the reason I only go so far with the PolyGel on the underside is so when you flip your nail over to apply it, you've got to hold the nail at the tip. That way you're not getting PolyGel all over your hands. The PolyGel on the underside of the nail is not coming out because it's going on your fingers, because that part has been cured. Okay, so there we go. Make sure you don't have anything seeping out anywhere that needs to be cleaned up. You know, you want to clean that up before you cure it, of course. I always like to flip the nail over and make sure everything is nicely cured, and then at the end we'll do a full cure. This has all been cured for any of my new subscribers. Make sure you got enough in there to fill in all those empty spaces. Make sure you go from one side to the other, just like that. Make sure this part is nice and flat. You can even pull it up into the nail if you want. Okay, make sure all your gaps are closed in. Everything looks nice. Make sure your light is ready. Flip it over. Now you see how I'm holding the tip? Now if that part was not cured, it would be all over your finger. So that's why I've always done it like that. So apply it to your nail. You're gonna see it go from cuticle to free edge. Once it gets there, pop it under your light. Oh, I am gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a full cure, top coat, and encapsulate the PolyGel on the underside, just like you would if the PolyGel was on the top. You're gonna encapsulate that with a no wipe top coat. Now you're gonna go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Once you got that cured from the underside, go ahead, shape, file, buff. Once I do that, I'll come back and we'll finish the nails up. I've got these black ones from Enail Couture, and I'm gonna use the hearts and the stars. And then I've got these black ones also from Enail Couture. some isopropyl alcohol, put it on my wipe, and I'm just going to go over the entire nail with it just to clean it up a bit. Alright guys, so I've tied the squares in. The last thing we gotta do is add top coat. Ooh, look at the shine on those ladies. And there you go. Just a couple little rhinestones at the cuticle area. Let me know what you guys think. I will let you guys know. I love this PolyGel. Look at the shine. This is the one we used all 6 colors. See how pretty? I will give the TOBEGLAM glitter PolyGel kit two thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Everything that you guys saw me use today will be linked in my description box, along with my discount code if I have one. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up if you would. Subscribe if you are new and have not subscribed yet. Y'all have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.